Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find this section, Device Care. So let's tap on it and then tap on App Protection. Now let's tap on Turn On. And of course we've got this information that no threats has been found, but let's dig deeper. So let's simply tap on Scan Phone, and as you can see right now your device will scan itself, so it will scan all of the apps which are currently installed on the device in order to find any problems, any kind of malware, viruses, etc. Of course, if it will find something, it will show you the information that something is wrong, and you will be able to take proper actions to get rid of that problem. Of course, if everything is okay, all right, your device will also show you the information that no threats has been detected, everything looks okay, and basically this is it. I highly recommend to scan your phone from time to time, so simply be sure that everything is all right. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.